So, in a not surprising story, a vegan mother today has basically gone to the High Court in the UK because she doesn't want to vaccinate her kids, which is an entirely stupid position to hold. Now, as this case has basically unfolded, she tried to find an anti-vax expert to come and support her positions. Now, many of you may be thinking, hang on, isn't Andrew Wakefield a anti-vax expert? Couldn't he appear and take the stand and convince the the judge and the jury that this woman, by not vaccinating her children, is somehow, you know, incredibly better off? What's that? Wakefield did a runner? Yes, apparently she sought the help of Andrew Wakefield, and indeed one of his colleagues on the paper, Dr. John Walker, and both denied, both said no, to a point where she was going through whole lists of people trying to convince them to come and give testimony on her child's behalf that she didn't need to be vaccinated, that the child didn't need to be vaccinated. And of course, well, what's happened? She couldn't find anyone, her evidence was was nothing, and the High Court has now ruled you've now got to vaccinate your child. That's a good win for science, if you ask me, but this is also rather interesting, because this went to the High Court. This is one of those cases where it has accidentally set a precedent where if you refuse to vaccinate your child, this case can now be used as an argument to go, gotta have your child vaccinated now, which is, again, good points for that. So, once again, the anti-vax movement is up in arms, saying that this is a travesty and this is, you know, some sort of fascist state dictatorship. Well, it's not. The child will be protected from the disease and will go on and live a perfectly normal life, and protected from diseases such as mumps, rubella, whooping cough, measles, you know, all the good Victorian diseases we used to die of. That child is now protected. So you're going to probably see lots of articles in the coming days, as I said, from, you know, anti-vaxxers decrying the use of this. But it has been ironically a good step forward, because, as I said, it's ironically set a precedent. So remember, though, that when the expert Wakefield was called, he refused to answer, which raises questions as to why he didn't want to get on the stand when he has constantly said in the past that he would love to go on the stand and testify. Well, here was an opportunity, but he was nowhere to be seen. Strange how that works out, doesn't it?